We have a bizarre story out of Larimer County tonight. A house dumped in the front yard of a dairy farm. And the property owners say the man who left it won't get rid of it, so they're going to take him to court.
And Denver 7's Amanda Del Castillo is live in Loveland. Amanda, the house has just been sitting there for months.
Correct. Ann and Shannon, the house wasn't hard to find. A wide load that both the city and county officials, they tell me that Dijon House Moving Incorporated actually needed special permits to move this house, permits that the company didn't have.
This particular house and garage have been moved 4 times in the last year and a half here from Loveland.
Now it's here at the Mountain View Dairy Farm off County Road 9. The abandoned house was seemingly dumped on this dairy farm by a man who has already spent some time behind bars for an identical crime.
There was a house on somebody else's property that did not belong there, and there was no permission from the owner. For me, that's textbook trespassing.
A woman named Michelle Dickinson owns the dairy farm, but because of a pending county lawsuit, she wouldn't talk to Denver 7. Instead, this formal complaint filed last November says the city of Loveland ordered Gary Dijon to remove the house by Labor Day. Dijon allegedly told Dickinson he would be back the next day to take it off her county property. 4 months later, the house remains riddled with asbestos.
Where is this going to end up next?
Neighbors and council members alike want the house gone for good.
It's hard to imagine someone being so thoughtless as to consistently violate a number of laws and take advantage of other people for their own personal gain.
But no one knows why. Why has Gary Dijon dumped this home in 4 different locations without permission? Today, Dijon said he didn't have the time to explain.
A disaster. I mean, what am I going to do? If this was in my front yard, what am I going to do with this? And that's exactly what's happened with this business owner here.
Take another look. Now, the city issued Dijon a court order in June 2017 saying he couldn't break any laws for a year. This would fall under that timeline, but the prosecuting attorney says city code doesn't apply outside of corporate city limits. Now, we checked for you. Now, according to the BBB, Dijon's company has an F rating. I'm reporting live in Larimer County tonight. Amanda Del Castillo, Denver 7.
Fascinating. Thank you, Amanda.